Hello friends, my name is Umair Saeed and you are watching my channel New Aquarium Hobby. It's my 90 gallon tank and downside 40 gallon sump filter. Today is 13 May 2025. It means summer start. So I am going to talk how I can cool my tank water. Now first I must need temperature controller. Any best controller can be purchased from market. If I show my tank, I have Arduino Uno board. Here, this one I have too much information. Now temperature is 29.3, set point 29.0, it's working best. Now I will talk how we can reduce tank temperature. There are two options. First, I can install fan like this 12 volt DC fan. I can purchase from computer shop. This one is same one. If we see its data is DC 12 volt, current 1.46 ampere. Any size can be used as per tank size, but my experience, if I will use high speed fan which have 2 ampere or 2.5 ampere current, that will produce too much noise, and second, that will throw air very forcefully, so cooling will not be too much. So better to use a fan which have normal speed, not slow, not too high. So I found this one best for me. Now if I on this one from this button like this, it is giving not too much noise, and if we see from this side, water is moving, not jumping outside. If I will use high speed fan, then that will throw water outside, and also temperature will not go down very quick. At this time, ambient temperature in my TV launch is 31 degree because outside is not too hot, maybe maximum 40 degree. That's why this fan can work. But after 1 month, when outside ambient temperature will be more than 45, 47 or 50 degree, then this ambient temperature will increase to 38 or 39 in my TV launch. And at that time I will off this fan because this fan will throw hot air. At that time this fan will not work. Now any friend which have aquarium or live at that place where ambient temperature is not going more than 43, 44 degree, this fan will work best. But if anyone live at that place where ambient temperature goes more than 45 or 50 degree, like me, I live in Miawali city, here ambient temperature goes more than 45 degree. At that time this fan will not work. For this 90 gallon, this is too much water. I need some proper cooling, that is Aquarium Chiller. Here is Aquarium Chiller. Anyone can purchase from market if you want. I made this one in my home. I did too much experiment, and after 2-3 years I got this results and made Aquarium Chiller version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4, 5 and 6. This one is the last one, Aquarium Chiller version 6. Its detail can be seen from the video I have already uploaded on my channel. I will give today quick overview of this. If any friend know little bit about this refrigeration, AC working like this, then he can get information from this video and make quickly. But if a new person is watching this video, then he need detail, so he can watch Aquarium Chiller version 6 all parts. Then he can make this Aquarium Chiller for this tank size, 340 liter tank water and near about 60 or 70 liter sump water, total 400 liter, and outside ambient temperature is around 47-48 degree at peak summer. If I will purchase original Aquarium Chiller, that is cost too much. I cannot purchase that one. That's why I made this in my home and use things to reduce the price. And I think around 50% price I can make this, and it's working from last 2 years and best result without any issue. Now if we look at this Aquarium Chiller, here I have used 1-inch dia pipe. Maximum water flow should be in Aquarium Chiller. at least 1000 liter per hour. If I will pass less flow, then the cooling will be less. Now this pump JDP 6000 installed here. This water is going inside and coming back in this same very close path, and from that pipe going water in tank. Now if I give overview of this chiller, I used here FR11G 10 fast 1/3 HP compressor. This one is cooling fan for this compressor. If we see its data is 12 volt 0.7 ampere. Next, condenser copper one 1/3 HP pure copper. Fan is 36 watt 0.25 ampere. If I use here 50 watt 0.3 ampere, that will be more good. Next, evaporator box is SS box stainless steel, inside box and outside round copper pipe 1/4 inch dia, 70 feet length. And the capillary tube used is 36 number 5 feet length, this one, and this filter is 20 gram. Charge 134A 260 gram gas. Gas can be 250 to 270 gram, plus minus it can be adjusted, but I filled 260 gram. I hope this video will help someone. If I did something wrong, then please tell me in comments so that I can make it correct. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.